Hello, this is YCL Touch. We made produce infrared touch and capacitive touch product. Now today let me introduce you how to realize the infrared touch. First about our product, it will have the transmitter and the receiver light. It will launch light and let me show. First, you can think this is a touch frame. There will be many receiver and transmitter. You can think this is the receiver and transmitter. Then it will launch the light. Then all this light will become a LED. Another when you touch, then it will recognize where you touch. If I touch here, then the lamp, the LED light, receiver and the transmitter will find this point, then realize the touch function. This is a simple mode, but now we have more advanced solution. Then not only the light, but also like this. Maybe the look looks not very simple, but as you can see, in this way, there will be more infrared light. When we touch here, it can also recognize not only here, but if, for example, if we touch here, it will have a higher precision.